were family members and friends of a local terror suspect, and they apparently did not want to be seen by our cameras this morning. They were in the courtroom for Mustafa Alawimer, who was accused of plotting to bomb a church on Pittsburgh's north side. Good evening. The attorney for Alawimer asked a federal judge to release his client while he waits for his trial date.
KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan reports the judge said no.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Friends, family, and supporters of Mustafa Alawimer blocked our cameras, made obscene gestures, and even spit at one of our photographers after a federal judge remanded the 21-year-old accused terrorist back to jail to await trial. Judge Cynthia Reed Eddy agreed with prosecutors who said that Alawimer had, quote, a lethal and toxic animus towards other Muslims, Christians, and Jews, creating a danger that the community should not be made to bear. The judge was not swayed by the testimony of Alawimer's own mother, seen here being hustled out of court, who asked that he be released to her custody, saying her son was dutiful and responsible and would not flee. But during the hearing, FBI agent Gary Morgan detailed Alawimer's alleged plans to blow up a Christian Nigerian church on the north side as an act of allegiance with ISIS. And prosecutors played a video in which a mask-covered Alawimer said he was longing to die a martyr's death. The agent testified Alawimer planned 2 bombs, one to blow up the church and another to be detonated later to kill, quote, infidel police. Still, public defender Andrew Lipson argued that Alawimer had no concrete plans for an attack until he was contacted by undercover agents. Quote, my client is not a fundamentally dangerous person. He does not know how to get a firearm or how to make a bomb. He was doing this at the direction of the agents. Cross-examining Morgan, Lipson said Alawimer posed no danger. Quote, he was a high school student going to school and living with his parents, to which Morgan replied, if you're saying he was a typical high school student, he wasn't. He was engaging in and planning a terrorist attack. Alawimer's attorneys will now have 6 months to prepare a defense and argue that government agents put this terrorist plot in his head. The government will argue that it was there all the while. At the federal courthouse downtown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.